Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jono Armstrong here and welcome to my Kartel review. Now, I'm here inside of the members area of Kartel. This is a product that I've actually made myself, so I know this product probably better than anybody else. Now, Kartel, in a nutshell, it's going to show you, well, it's a training, and it also comes with a software. And the software is a two-part software, which is this software right here. Now, the first part of the software is going to show you how to search for monetizable YouTube videos. Okay, now what you can do with these monetizable YouTube videos is you can place ads on these monetizable YouTube videos. So you don't have to spend hours of your time searching through videos and channels individually to see if they're monetized or not. Okay, so it's a big time saver in that respect. Now, it doesn't stop there. It will seek out, based on a keyword, which I'll show you in a minute, and it will seek out channels and videos which have low competition, meaning that there's not many other advertisers that are placing ads on top of those videos or channels. Now, for you, that means that the price or the cost per click or the cost per view is going to be rock bottom, okay, because there's not much competition on those videos. Now, how the way that AdWords works is it works through a bidding system. So people place bids to get their videos on the top of to get their ads on the top of videos. Now, the more competition you have, the higher the bid price, and if you want to secure that click or secure that view, then you have to pay, you know, upwards of 60 or 70 cents per click or per view. So the Kartel finds out the channels and the videos which have little to no competition, so the cost per click or the cost per view is very low. The second part of the software is going to allow you to create high ticket pages. Now, all these pages are hosted by us, which means that you don't need to have a website, you don't need to pay for hosting or anything like that, because we do all that for you. Now, on these high ticket pages, it's going to be a static page where you're going to place an auto webinar that sells your traffic onto a high ticket offer. Now, the selling is done via auto webinar, so it's somebody else's webinar, and somebody else, a professional marketer, is going to be talking and presenting and selling that traffic onto this high ticket offer. Now, this is a professional marketer, so they know exactly what to say and exactly what to do to convince that traffic to buy something. So you don't need to sell anything yourself. Somebody else is going to be doing the selling for you. And it's a high ticket offer, which means that the price, the buy-in price of these products are at least $1,000, and they're usually at around 40 or 50% commission, which means that you'll be able to make at least around $400 or $500 per sale. Okay, so you got the traffic in there, which is going to come from AdWords. There's training inside of Kartel, which is going to show you exactly how to set up the software and exactly how to make money from this. I'll talk to you about this more in detail inside this review. So the sales page itself, game-changing software smuggles $1,000 commissions with an untapped traffic loophole. 24/7 income stream without expenses, without BS. That's exactly why we created Kartel, why I created this software, why I created this training. The software itself is actually something that we've developed for me and Brendan to use personally, because we're doing a lot of YouTube ads and we're sending a lot of traffic to high ticket sales, and that's how we're able to make such big amounts of money. You can see here in my JVZoo account, if I just refresh this now, see if this number goes up. It did by about $20 or $30. You see $6,176 in JVZoo today on Warrior Plus. If I just go to the dashboard and refresh this, you can see 3,761. That just changed just then. Yesterday, 2,253. This is all from high ticket stuff that we're running YouTube ads to get this kind of money. So total today, it's well over $9,000. So super stoked about this, and that's why we put this product together. That's why we made this software, so that me and Brendan could benefit from finding untapped YouTube videos and untapped YouTube channels that nobody else was advertising on, so it'll bring our ad spend right down, and then sending to these high ticket pages. Now, we've bundled all this together inside of Kartel to make it really easy for anybody, even complete newbies, to start making money from this system. Now, if you look around on Facebook, on YouTube, every time you go to your Facebook page, you're going to see Facebook ads from marketers that are asking you, or they're prompting you to join them on a live call. And if you click on any of those ads, it takes you through to a registration page where you can register for a webinar, and on that webinar they sell you onto a high ticket item. Okay, it's no secret, this is what all the big advertisers are doing. Similarly on YouTube, you'll see people like Ty Lopez, you'll see people like Grant Cardone ads coming up on different YouTube videos. You click on them, they're going to take you through to a webinar where they're going to sell you onto a high ticket offer. This is what all major marketers are doing right now in 2019. The only reason that you are not able to do this is because you don't have the tools at your fingertips. Well, with Kartel, you do, okay? Because this is a software that's going to find you those cheap channels to advertise on, and it's going to give you access to a high ticket page where somebody else is going to sell a webinar, they're going to sell a high ticket product, and you get to make your commission. So the members area looks like this. Okay, so we've got the welcome video, we got the overview, we got setting up, which is going to talk to you about how to set up your AdWords account. I'm also going to give you a hack inside of the getting set up part where you can get $90 ad spend for free. Okay, that means, I mean, what I usually spend between $10 to $15 to land one high ticket sale, and that earns me at least $500. So it's well worth it to rinse and repeat. So if you have this $90 free ad spend, you could land at least one high ticket sale. So you could make $500 from that $90 ad spend, and by the time you've made that $500, you can start taking like $100 of that $500, putting it back into your ad spend, and then rinsing and repeating, okay? And you just keep on going, profiting around $400 every single time if it's a $500 commission, right? So that's getting set up. Now, how to use the software, I show you how to use the high ticket pages and the audience search. So you can access the software from inside of here, okay? And the software looks like this. So down the side of the tab on the software here, you have the keyword research, which basically allows you to put in a seed keyword. So for example, make money online, and it's going to bring up all of these different long tail keywords inside of Google, YouTube, Bing, YouTube, Google, Yahoo, Bing, YouTube, and Amazon and eBay. So you can go and find a long tail keyword here that makes this even more specific. It makes it even more niche. So you go and find this. So for example, make money online, PayPal 2019. If I click on there, it's going to start searching through all of the relevant videos on YouTube that are something to do with making money online with PayPal, right? That means that your video, when you place your ads on these videos, they're already niched down to those exact keywords. So if you have some kind of product, high ticket product that you are selling or you're advertising, which has something to do with making money online with PayPal, then this audience is really, really targeted for your ads. That's the first thing, right? The second thing, you can see it's searching through 50 different videos. It's going to bring up 50 results. All of these results, okay, you can search by likes, you can search by views, you can search by comments, and you can see, okay, all of these videos have good views, all these videos have a good engagement. Now, all of these videos also, they don't have that many other people advertising on these videos, which means that the cost per click, like I said in the beginning, is going to be rock bottom. So what you can do here, after you've set up your campaigns, you go and choose the campaign that you want to save these videos to, and you simply click on add. You go and find the videos that you want to be using here. Remember, all of these videos are monetizable, so you can place your ads on any of these videos, and you just simply go and add them to your campaign. Now, you can do the same with channels. So if you search for monetizable channels, you can search make money online. I'm just going to default this to 10 so it doesn't take too long, and then you just click on new search. Now this, instead of finding individual videos, it's going to find channels that are something to do with make money online, yet there's not that many people advertising on these channels already. Now I'm just going to stop this now because it's taking too long, but you can search by the subscribers, the amount of subscribers they got, the comments and the views and stuff like that. Once you've found one that you like, okay, you can add that to your campaign. Now this means that when we go into AdWords, okay, let me just load up AdWords. When we go into AdWords, it means that we already have this ammunition ready, so we know exactly which videos, which channels that we want to be targeting with our campaigns. Now I'm in one of my old AdWords accounts, so there's no stats on here, but basically I just want to show you, when you go into AdWords to create your video ads, okay, down towards the bottom inside of your campaigns, you're going to see this thing called placements here. So if you click on placements, you can go and copy and paste in all of those channels and all of those videos that you want your ads to show up on. So if I go into Kartel and I go to my campaigns, I go to manage my campaigns, you can see this Jono demo campaign, I've got 15 total videos. If I click on view, then I can copy and paste these one by one into my AdWords placements right here. You see this loading up, and it's found that particular video, so I can go and choose that one. I can go back into Kartel, and go and choose the next YouTube video that I want to place these ads on. I go and paste that into AdWords, and it's going to find that as another YouTube video, and then I choose that one, and that means that all of these videos that I've selected, my ads are going to show up on top of these videos. Now, so that is basically the first part of the software in a nutshell. The second part is going to be the big money pages. So down here, if I click on view my money pages, here you can view your money page, you can delete them, you can copy the URL, you can view it. Okay, basically once you've made it, you would copy the URL, and this would be the URL that you're going to place into AdWords down here as your final URL. This is where you're going to be sending your traffic to. Now this example URL here, if I just click on view, it's going to look something like this. So how to start making $10,000 per month online within the next 30 days. People click on here, okay, they're going to be able to watch this video right here, and then when the presenter starts talking about the pitch, they start talking about this product that they can buy, which by the time they get to that pitch, the audience is going to be really interested in buying this product. Your button is going to pop up here, which is embedded with your affiliate link. So when people click on here, they're going to go through to that secure checkout page. If they buy it, then you get commissioned with 40 or 50% of the total price, and if it's a $2,000 product, you get commissioned with either $900 or $1,000 per sale. So that's how this works, and you can see all of these high ticket pages are compliant with AdWords. They have a copyright, they have disclaimer, privacy, and they have terms of use, so you'll have no problem getting these pages approved as your final URLs inside of AdWords. Okay, so the money pages are pretty easy to set up. You just click on money page, you enter a name for it, you put in your headline. If you have the pro version, then you can put in a pixel code, and inside of the pro version training, okay, there's even more training down here which is going to show you how to use these pixels to drive your cost per view or your cost per click even further down. And then you have the option to add an introduction video, which could be a video just saying, hey, thanks for checking out this page. Without further ado, I'm going to hand you off to my coach or my teacher or whatever you want to say, who's going to talk to you about this product. Now once that video is finished playing, it'll only be like a short video. It's optional as well, you don't have to put your face on camera, right? So if you don't want to use that, you don't have to. And then this is where you would drag and drop the main webinar video, okay, which is probably going to be a pretty big file, and it's going to run for about an hour or so, because they need to warm up that traffic, etc., before they sell them onto it. So that's where you drag and drop that one in there. And then you can go through this video, and you can click on here where it says seconds. You can click on here when the presenter starts getting into the pitch, right? And that will mean that your button, which is here, and it's completely customizable. You can change the background color, you can change the button text to say whatever you want, and you can embed your affiliate link in down here, and then you can choose when that button is going to show up on that high ticket page. So it's not going to be there from the beginning, because that's going to affect your conversions, because people think, okay, well, I've come on here to view some kind of free training, but why is there a buy button? But they'll understand that later on, once the presenter gets into the pitch, your button appears, then they'll be ready to buy it, right? So that's why we've set it up like this. Okay, so that's basically what Kartel is in a nutshell. The prices and the upsells, okay, so Kartel, everything that's inside the front end that I just showed you is going to be $12.95. For that, you get the training all here. You also get the software. Now, the front end software is going to be limited to a maximum of 20 searches per month, and also you can only make a maximum of 5 high ticket pages. If that's enough for you, then that's fine. It's only going to cost you $12.95. Okay. Now, the upgrade number 1 is the pro version. Now, this comes with unlimited access to the software, so unlimited searches a month, and also unlimited high ticket pages that you can make. Also inside the training of the pro version, like I said before, there's going to be additional training here which is going to teach you about retargeting, and it's also going to unlock the feature where you search for monetizable videos. You can actually, let me show you, it's going to unlock this feature which allows you to get in touch with the channel owner. So if you're having good success with your ads, you can get in touch with them and ask them for a paid shout out. It's going to reveal their email address so you can get in touch with them directly, offer them, I don't know, $400 or $500 for them to do a paid shout out to their audience of 200,000 people, and that's where you can unlock a ton of money. But anyway, there's training inside the pro version showing you how to do that. Next OTO is done for you campaigns. Okay, this is going to be $197. Now, what happens with this is twice a week, Okay, when you join the Done For You campaigns, you submit your email, and twice a week I'm going to be emailing you with brand new bonus pages like this one that you're seeing right here, completely done for you, together with bonuses and a review video and emails and all the rest of it. And I'm going to be emailing you twice a week for products that are up and coming. Okay, so products that haven't even launched yet, products that are launching in the future, you'll be getting these bonus pages in real time, which means that you can start promoting them as well. So it's $197 for a reason, because I personally put a lot of work into this, and I'm allowing you exclusively to, legally steal my campaigns. And my campaigns make me a lot of money, so you can be pretty much guaranteed that you're going to make some good money with this as well. Anyway, that's upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 is steal our 3.8 million list. Now, this is going to allow you to basically put your tracking pixels on all of mine and Brendan's sales pages like this one. Every time me and Brendan do a launch, we get hit with tens of thousands of visitors. If you have your tracking pixels on here, it means that you can capture the data of all of those people. So when it comes to you placing your video ads, you can use that audience of which are already targeted people that are interested in making money online. And because it's a retargeting audience, your cost per click will be downwards, below 10 cents per click, which is great. Okay, so that's what that is all about. This is super powerful. The reason why it's so expensive is because we spend thousands of dollars creating these sales pages every single month and creating these products, and you're able to tap into our traffic source by getting this upsell. Okay, that's why it's so expensive. But for those of you that know how to use this, and there's training that comes inside of here, you are off to a real head start if you pick this up. Okay, upsell number 4 is our $1,000 commission system. This again is $197. Basically, we have already made video ads for our high ticket offer. Now, our high ticket offer sells for $2,000, and if you buy this upsell, then you will get a 50% commission rate, which guarantees you $1,000 per sale. So we've already done the video ads for you. We've already got the auto webinar ready for you. All you need to do is upload the auto webinar onto your high ticket page inside of Kartel and use our video ads in your AdWords campaigns, and you will get $1,000 per sale from this. So that's why this is so expensive, because we want to limit the amount of people that do this, because our high ticket offer is what makes me and Brendan, all of our money. Let me just refresh this and see if this number's gone up. 176. Yes, 6,223. So you see, it's worth it. For $200, you can make that money back with, a quarter of a sale, not even that. Right, upsell number 5 is the license rights. This is going to be $167. Basically, this will allow you to send your traffic to this sales page, and then you get to keep 100% of all of these price points, which, as you can see, is a lot of money. Okay, so that is it from me. I hope you enjoyed this Kartel review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. All the best. Take care. Bye.